Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by redeeming the Xbox gift card to your Microsoft account. Sign in on the console or at Microsoft. com/redeem, enter the 25-character code, and apply it. Once done, make sure the account region matches the Roblox account region because currencies and offers differ. Check your Microsoft balance in account settings so you know exactly how much you can spend. This prepares the funds you'll use inside Roblox on Xbox without delays or payment errors. Now you buy Robux directly through the Roblox app on Xbox. You, the player, should launch Roblox and sign into the exact Roblox profile you want to fund. Next, open the Robux purchase screen and choose the bundle that matches your redeemed balance. At checkout, select Microsoft account balance as the payment method. The system will deduct from the redeemed gift funds. If taxes or conversion apply, you'll see the final price. Confirm to complete the purchase. Finish by confirming Robux appear in your Roblox account immediately after the purchase. Check your profile balance or inventory. If the transaction doesn't go through, make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft and Roblox accounts, verify the Microsoft balance again, and confirm regions match. Those are the most common blockers. If funds were deducted but Robux are missing, note the transaction ID and contact Xbox or Roblox support. Provide that ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.